What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the video. Today's video is going to be about the bagged GTI. Should you get your GTI bagged? Is it worth it for the price? Does it really matter? Is it even cool? Does it ride good? Blah, blah, blah. You know, all that fun stuff. I'm here to tell you all that craziness. First question people ask about bags. Are they a smooth ride? Well, let me just show you. I'm gonna set the camera on my dash and it will tell you how smooth it is, usually. Whoa! Going off the road, boy! Secondly, is it nice having your airbags adjustable? Let me show you. I'm here at a very, very nice dip. Come down here real quick, click this button right here. Please wait 1 second. Successful. Let's see if we hear a scrape. Yikes, we do a little bit. Oh well. Better than nothing. Third, are they reliable? I would say so myself. I had a little issue with a little bit of a leakage from the tank itself, but that was because of a little plastic piece that we have now resolved. Fourth, are bags good in the cold? Good question. Let me show you that I know what I'm talking about. As you can see, maybe, oh, right there, look, frozen lake, snow everywhere. Sorry for the noise. Bags are kind of noisy when you're low to the ground. I have had no issues because I've heard from friends and other people that, oh, when it's super cold out, your bags won't air up or they won't work or they'll explode. No, shut up. That's not what happens. None of that has happened to me. I take really good care of them. Of course, my car is in the garage when it snows and everything, so it is not in the straight up freezing cold temperatures all night. This is such a funny review, isn't it? I know. But it's an honest one. It's from an owner that actually has experiences with it. It's not some guy that puts them on his $500,000 cars and drives those cars maybe once a month and lets it sit around, which is a good way to know if the bags are good after sitting. But as a daily driver, because I know most of my viewers are not very, very wealthy and have hundreds of $1,000s worth of cars. If you do, that's freaking awesome and invite me over. But you guys really want to know how it is day to day, every driving, all of that. So this is what I'm trying to do for you guys, is give you the best knowledge you can before you go ahead and buy them, because bags are expensive and it takes time to install and yada yada yada. Going over what I have not gone over yet. Oh, for performance, does it give you any performance? Does it make your car any better at handling? Good question, dude. My answer to that is yeah, it does. Performance is amazing. As you can see, if you haven't seen from this video, I do live in a mountain range. Not a mountain range. I live next to the mountains, so I'm on hills and everything, and we have twists, turns, corners, and everything like that. Let me tell you, every day I bring this car out and I go home, it is a blast to drive around these corners. It handles so well, and you don't feel like you're gonna crash or lose your handling or whatever. I love it. Bags are great to get into if you're ready for them. Like, you can hear me bouncing around. Woo! Lost some traction right there. Jesus. It's boost season, okay? This car loves to boost up. I have airlift performance suspension on this car specifically. I think it's the 2.0. I don't know exactly. I haven't really looked at it. It's done a great job. It rides really nice. If you guys found anything informational out of this video, I know it's not very to the point, on like statistics and all that stuff. This is very broad daily driver owner review itself, so you kind of know what you're going into in reality with just a little sketch over. I know it's a really quick video, but if you did like it, please do give it a like. Subscribe to the channel because I love you. Even if you're not subscribed, thank you so much for viewing the video. I really appreciate it. For everyone that is subscribed and you watch my videos, you are like the best ever. Not even kidding. Anyways, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. See you later. Bye-bye.